I'm Yo. Yeah, I'm staying at Pontian, a small town of Johor. I have elderly parents, father and mothers, they are aged more than 80. So when I'm planning to moving a new house, and then especially elderly, they are very worried, which is, well, originally stay in single-story house. So now going to move to two double-stories house, so they are start worried, they cannot, when they want to looking for me, it might be, you stay upstairs, they sleep at downstairs, so they feel unsecure or unsafe. So then I was thinking, it's okay, never mind, we just install a lift for the house, then you are no need to worry on climb, stage or whatever, yeah. Which is, luckily when you choose, then there is an area for my house, which is some area suitable to install on it. So then the size is exactly that location. I mean, the area actually is the original house structure actually is a storeroom. So I break the door, and then just put a hole, then install. It's very quite considered convenient, and then the size is exactly can fit on within 1.5 meters square. Yeah. When I buy this lift, I order this lift. That's why I've been do some research study. I found actually this lift maybe quite new brand, but something like the civil structures construction actually is lesser, which I no need to dig the floor for put the maybe the engine or whatever, and then I no need to do some concrete or what. I no need to too worry on the concrete work, because when it come to my house second level, there is empty. Yes, and then some more, when I study the function of the operations main concept, is something like a compressed air type. For me to feel is quite safe, which if unfortunately something happen, then it just only release some air, then will slowly gravimetric methods and then come down. It will not happen something like we worry unbalanced, it might be some problem. Yes. For I thinking it lesser mechanism problem, mechanic problem. So maybe can be save me some future less maintenance issue. Yeah, so far my friends coming actually they feel, this is a lift. They never expected. They say, hey, very beautiful. It's something like looks great and then very unique. So because up to now I know my area is only me one person to order. They never seen this kind of lift. So they will feel, child also feel, wow, very exciting. Something like a toys. I feel it's like a toys. Yes. I will introduce for them because I think it's quite good. Yeah, it's quite good. Yeah, I can say friendly lah.